In the previous video, we saw how we'll write the convolute image function, and we called the convolute image function on the image I and with a stride of 1. In this image, we'll see how the stride affects the output value of the images. So to compare, we'll first run with a stride of 1, then another function we'll call with a stride of 2, and another function call with a stride of 3. Now we'll run this code and see what is the effect of different strides. So we'll run the code and wait for the output. So as you can see, this is the convoluted image output of stride 1. The size of the image is 454 by 454 and the channel is 3. Now let us close it. In stride 2, we can see that the pixel size or the image size has been reduced from 450 to 227 by 227. So it has been almost halved. And finally, in the stride 3, we can see that the image size has been reduced by 3 times approximately, and the new size is 152 by 152, and that is why it appears more blurred or the details have been lost. So we'll compare with the original image. As you can see, this is our original image and this is the effect of convolution with a Gaussian kernel and a stride of 3.